Making a circle. A circle is a round, closed shape where all points on the edge are the same distance from the center. Real-life example. Circle. A wheel on a bicycle is a perfect circle. No matter where you look on the wheel's edge, it's always the same distance from the middle, the hub. Picture idea, circle. Show them a drawing of a wheel, or even better, bring a toy car's wheel to class. Parts of a circle. Center. The middle point of the circle. All points on the circle are equally distant from here. Example. Center. Imagine the sun being the center, and the light reaching the edges in all directions equally. Radius. The distance from the center of the circle to any point on its edge. Example. Radius. A slice of pizza where the tip of the pizza is the center and the crust is the edge. The distance from the tip to the crust is the radius. Diameter. The longest distance across the circle, passing through the center. It's twice the length of the radius. Example. Diameter. If you cut a round cake in half through the middle, the length from one side to the other is the diameter. How to draw a circle. With a compass, a tool that helps to draw a perfect circle by holding one end at the center and moving the pencil around it. Steps. 1. Put the pointed end of the compass on the paper. 2. Hold the pencil end and move it around the pointed end in a smooth curve. 3. Keep the compass steady to get a neat circle. Using circles in everyday life. Coins. Every coin you use is shaped like a circle. It has a center and an edge, and you can measure the radius. Plates. At home, when you eat on a round plate, you're using a circle. Clocks. The numbers on a clock are placed in a circle, making it easier to read the time.